On average, the city of St. Louis has 38 inches of rainfall each year, and often falling in storms and heavy rain events. Due to the impervious surfaces found in our city like large rooftops, streets, and parking lots, most of the water finds its way into our city sewers, which can pose a major problem for our infrastructure. As stormwater runoff makes its way to the sewer, it picks up all sorts of pollutants and debris, funneling it directly into our streams and rivers. And this runoff can lead to health problems and property damage affecting our entire region. But the Metropolitan St. Louis Sewer District is working to implement environmental programs to provide a solution by Rainscaping St. Louis. Rainscaping is the use of plantings, water features, catch basins, permeable pavement, and other features to help manage storm water. When used effectively, it can make a big difference in the community by reclaiming stormwater and helping it to absorb into the soil where it falls to reduce runoff. It can also create a beautiful, sustainable landscape for your organization. These environmental programs are part of our Project Clear initiative, an effort to design and build system-wide improvements that address water quality and wastewater concerns for the St. Louis region. Through this initiative, we're investing $100 million in rainscaping projects throughout the Mississippi River region, and we're looking to partner with business owners, private developers, and/or organizations in the program area like you.
Wells Fargo is a big believer in environmental sustainability. We thought the chance to do this was the perfect opportunity to provide to the community a service that will help with the environment. One of the aspects in putting this rain garden in is we focused on native plants that are actually helping with the research in the monarch population, as it's a food source for them on their migration path. The first phase went so well that we signed up to do another phase, and we've just broken ground on the second phase, which is a couple of biodetention basins that are going to take place in the coming spring. Because the rain gardens actually reduce the sediments and pollutants from getting back into the stormwater system, it helps keep the rivers and streams locally clear.
We really saw that there was an opportunity to do some additional work recognizing the challenge of stormwater mitigation here in this community when it rains. But this is about the betterment of the community, clearly adding to the aesthetic look and feel of this place. So the before and after of this is just quite frankly going to be dynamic. It's going to be a great catalyst and a springboard for the future development of this part of Pine Lawn. So I would clearly urge anybody who has, again, a project that could fit in the parameters of Project Clear to reach out, have a conversation, and you'll find MSD a great partner.
During our annual call for applications, which is a competitive process, applications can be submitted for project reimbursement of rainscaping elements. Proposals are accepted from August 1st through October 31st. Interested applicants are encouraged to discuss possible proposals in advance to facilitate the process. We also offer another program opportunity as part of our Development Review Program. This is an ongoing, non-competitive program available for participation anytime. Potential projects can be eligible for reimbursement of up to $180,000 per acre of total drainage area for the rainscaping features. More information about both programs is available online. This is your chance to make a sustainable difference in our community. Get involved today.